Today I'm going to teach you how to install the Amazon Music desktop app on your PC. This is a great way to access your Amazon Music library directly from your computer without needing to use a web browser every time. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Music Desktop Player page. You can do this by typing Amazon Music Desktop Player for PC into your search bar. This will bring up the official download page where you can get the application. Once you're on the page, look for the link or button that says the Amazon Music Desktop app and click on it. This is the main download link that will start the process of getting the installer file onto your computer. As soon as you click this option, the download will begin automatically. You don't need to confirm anything else at this point. The file will simply start downloading to your default downloads folder. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds for the download to complete. The time this takes will depend on your internet connection speed, but it's usually pretty quick since the installer file isn't very large. You can monitor the progress through your browser's download indicator. Once the download finishes, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window. Here you'll find the download section, typically represented by a download icon or arrow. Click on this icon to view your recently downloaded files. You should see the Amazon Music installer file listed there. Click on the downloaded file and then select Open to launch the installer. This action will initiate the installation process for the Amazon Music desktop app. When you click Open, the app will automatically begin installing itself on your computer. You won't need to manually guide it through complex installation steps, as the process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. At this point, you'll need to wait for a few minutes while the app installs. During this time, the installer is copying all necessary files to your system and setting up the application so it's ready to use. Don't close any windows or turn off your computer during this process. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Amazon Music desktop app on your PC. You can now access your music library, playlists, and streaming options directly from your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.